welcome you to watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Monali Sarambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Archbishop Victor Lingdo launches Jubilee Cross in preparation for 2025 Jubilee year. MSSDS celebrates youth training completion in Bhoirambong, distributes sewing machines. MSSASA to hold SSA Teachers General Meeting on 16th December. And Nativity Higher Secondary School Mokkarwat celebrates 50th Golden Jubilee. And now the news in detail. On the evening of 10th December, Most Reverend Archbishop Victor Lingdo, DD of the Archdiocese of Shillong, launched the Jubilee Cross, marking the beginning of preparations for the 10th anniversary of the Jubilee year in 2025. The Jubilee Cross will travel across parishes, village churches and convents, accompanied by prayers and hymns. In his address, Archbishop Lingdo urged priests, sisters, catechists and the Catholic community to prepare spiritually for the forthcoming Jubilee year through daily prayer. The initiative is aimed at fostering unity and devotion ahead of the significant anniversary celebration.
Happy Baro ki Lingdo ki Runiam ki Batre hak Aish Laces Shillong ki Father ki brother ki sister ki Katkis ki Ramba Balan Marapi Baro ki Parabange jong Aish Laces jong Shillong ni Sngo Kmen na Shisha Bangin Sarung ha Kasnam Jubilee ha Nusnam Arajar Arsan Jagani ko porung ikwa ban benar happy man polite baik happy ya ni ko ya udik pana Jubilee Cross baunya baro chisnam baro way ka diocese bat bar dekat bat Jubilee Cross dik pana jo Jubilee ngin sai ya dengan bat ka ching tuai bing sa polite baik bat ru dekat bat ka ching tuai dia kan ni ko por ngasuk kemen ke akmat jompi ban polite pai ba ni ko ya kan hi ke dikna jong ke Jubilee Cross kan uneu dikna sayat maro ko ka diocese malik parish malik balangshno malik convent malik CMC kana mat kan mau yangi bau jisu lawan percaya ban pediem Nagadim pernah berkuat tam jemu. Kebahan pada kini kepor nasuk kemen ban pelai pada api ya kini kecing dua Jubilee. Dua itu hapan dua man nak khidmat man nak kepor man nak sengi.
Teknik kejadian teknik sing bersu yublek. Ia Archbishop ila pelai ia dipna jong Jubilee. Nanta ya kejinwai Jubilee ke bangin sa dawai bercisna nanta ru ya kejinwai di uni Jubilee Cross pila banyo napo donbosco technical school pila balik order nang tu kador kolong pil kawai ke dipna kolong hakador ke sanspa but we don ban ruspa sanspa dan ni ruspa pila balik ban order napo donbosco technical school nanta ya kejinwai Jubilee ngin sebu haki WhatsApp group jong ka Archdiocese hakaba ki parish kilapan print nang ta kilapan bansam haki parabangai haki parish barkhoi haki institution barkhoi nang ta ya kani ka Jubilee team song group ya kani ngin sa bo apa ki WhatsApp group nang ta kilapan penan kami ki haki parish haki institution nang ta ka jinan kam jong ka Archdiocese barkhoi tikini gidi batai ki bang aku bo kemacu kenam penuh pinyo ya kini jinan kam baro ya ka lama kumalong ya ka lama haki parish bagi institution pila bane napo police bija nanti napo neutral press nantu pila banyo ya ka lama dan ni pila ban order yakini ki jindwai lu pila ban April dan ni pila ban pha am tu bakin ken le ta ki jinong kam jong ki baris kichuni tan kini Khuborjylla.
On 10th December, the Meghalaya State Skill Development Society, MSSDS, supported by Skills Meghalaya, held a celebration in Bhoirambong for 50 youths who completed training in weaving and sewing at Khuborkhasi village under Airy Weave Private Limited. The event was graced by Damanbai Lamare, MLA Umroy as the chief guest, and Rankansai Kharbuki, MDC, as the guest of honor. Also present were Yaisha Rambai, Director of Airy Weave, Ba Samuel Nonglat, SDO of MSSDS, and B Thaba of Bhoirambong Block. As part of the event, 27 sewing machines were distributed thanks to the support of Selco and Mozuni Socio-Economic Foundation. Airy Weave has employed 37 of the trained youths. Lamare praised their dedication and encouraged them to work hard for a successful future.
Iwan itu long kami keren hane, yang bayi kamai setiau mo, apa setiau sibnai yang haru khatar sipo kharui hajar. Ngasau kemen kata, namar bang ngasau sorong ro, bagi day negani kathan, mengalong kum MLA. Ngasau sorong haru kata namar bagi don kum kini, but kam tam ngai khuble beng sa sise ni kong rembai ibadon dia kata ke mensim ban ai bala ban ai ka ban ai jam ban ai ban imza khporo yakini ki para pagi yakini ki long kme bat yakini ki long kme bat ki don ki samlaru nganang ai mensim so yapi kong rembai ba pinang la so ban penkiu ban penhe yakini ke sentar ke jong pi banga kermen skem hero bakin mi bonba kilong kmele ni ki samla kan thai kham tam bakin mi bakin snai ki jan ki baper ki biang no biang ki internet ha ki por ki si ki pansawan hawat dapat kumne ba yo certificate kini kilong kme bat ki samla ki don ngaso kuman hado kata ba pilayo la don ikam ba pintrei dan ini punya sekeman ke jing im ke jongpi namangan oyepi menta kanu ka kamro nginam kiu rebut sejerong nihab don kemen semban tresitom kanu ka kam bangile ro para borga saj ombet kanu ka kam bapile tole nadu mensem nama punya ban ke muso jong ke jing job muso petiang hot kumpet menta ngaso kemen tambang ngipat kum kinong mikmat kumginong sensar hadar yu pa yu plang kumanga ba di MDC barohi kinong mikmat kiseni namar nginem la ada ban penbiang ma penhun yu we po we upaj ba namar udon dak hajar ngut kuma pilayo jing mentoy menta kini balayo gani ka certificate ki bala pas gani ka training kade ka jing kerkupa hoj pinaya chakmat na tresitom bad hero ki don pat bateng kapoy nga bagajaw umat nga Peit padi kibru kibadan hapo kan ki konspirasi jong isi sinong ki baper ki badok tangka ying sa ro bumdon
The Meghalaya SSA Schools Association central body has called for a general meeting of SSA teachers from across the state on 16th December 2024. The meeting will take place at 10 a.m. at the Students' Ground in Jayau. According to a statement by MSSA SA President Aristotle, the meeting will focus on discussions held with the state government through the Education Department regarding the demands of SSA teachers. It aims to establish rules of procedure and strengthen the work of SSA teachers in the state. All SSA teachers are invited to attend this important gathering.
Jongi kam Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Body lengba kane kerwo Khubor ni pentip shapi baro kinohikai SSA hapo ka jala Meghalaya ba ngin sapelong ya ka general meeting jong baro kinohikai SSA haka jela jongi haka country trik jong 9 December hapo madan student jaya Shillong haka por khatbe beji men step haka ni ka general meeting in sayo ban penshai haka bayade bat ka jingkhot yakren jong ka sorkar jela lengba katnat pule puthi haka bayade bat ka mat jingdawa jongi kino hikai SSA na ka sorkar na ka benta ban thao ya ka policy haka bayade bat ka job security jongi kino hikai SSA kumta sichisin ni kentu ya pi baro kino hikai SSA hapo ka jela Meghalaya papin yami renti banwan shakani ka general meeting kaba ngin sapelong haka country trik jong 9 December hapo madan student jaya Shillong haka por khatbe beje men step
Nativity Higher Secondary School Maukarwat celebrated its 50th Golden Jubilee on Tuesday with a grand event at the school grounds attended by Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma as the chief guest. Also present were Renekton Lingdo Tongkhar, MLA, Karne Soshang, MDC, B. Maulong, Deputy Commissioner and other government officials. The occasion was further graced by teachers, students, alumni and parents. In his address, Chief Minister Sangma announced a generous donation of 25 lakh rupees to the school, emphasizing the importance of education in shaping communities, regions and the country. He urged students and teachers to focus on setting goals for the school's progress in both education and morality. The event also featured vibrant cultural programs performed by the school students, making the celebration a memorable occasion for all attendees, marking half a century of educational excellence at Nativity Higher Secondary School.
That the Nativity Higher Secondary School has just completed 50 years, and therefore it is kind of a small token, you may say, that I would like to leave as a memory from our side, from my CM Secretariat side, for the building which they are making for the extension of the classrooms. So I would like to announce 25 lakhs as a contribution from my side on this very wonderful day from my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund for the extension of the school building. I know it may not be enough, but Father, we will wait for another program when you invite me to give more funds later on. So if I gave all the funds in one go, then you will not remember me next time to call me. So I will keep some pending for next time. But I also would like to correct our father principal. I have been here to the school multiple times. So I just wanted to share with you, I think not less than 3 or 4 times. May not be in large programs, but I have come, visited, shared a cup of tea, coffee with our previous principals and students. So I'm quite well versed with the school. If you leave me also in the middle, I'll find my way. So I know the map of the school quite well in the classrooms. So I visited here, and I think the college also I'm pretty sure I visited. Principal had mentioned that my first visit, but I'm pretty sure that that I have come to the college also before. But nonetheless, thank you so much, Father, for remembering me and inviting me to be part of such a memorable program. And more importantly, really being patient. I know it's really bad and wrong on my part to be late by 1.5 hours. I believe that being punctual is one of the most important things in life. It's a discipline that I was taught by the Christian brothers when I was studying in Columbus and Edmonds. So it's something that has been engraved in me.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurated the new science block and the extension of classrooms Block B at Sngaps Aim College in Maukarwat, Southwest Khasi Hills. The event was attended by Renekton Tongkhar, MLA, Karne Soshang, MDC and EM of KHADC. In his address, the Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma highlighted the significance of investing in the youth as the majority of the state's population is under the age of 45. He stressed the role of education in individual and societal development and mentioned various government initiatives aimed at improving education, including infrastructural support and policy interventions. Sangma also announced that science and commerce streams would soon be introduced in 5 government colleges across the state, including Sora and Williamnagar. Additionally, he confirmed the sanction of a school bus and a contribution of 20 lakh for the college's development, ensuring more options for students to pursue their desired fields of study.
All aware that the college has a new campus there at Mountain, about 2.5 kilometers from here. And this campus is so congested. We need to have a new infrastructure when most of the courses to be run in that new campus. So we would like to get the attention and especially the support from user and from the management. We have prepared all the documents to be submitted to the government, and I hope through the support from our Honorable Chief Minister, this also will become materialized. Regarding the multi-purpose hall, sir, the NAC peer team in the second visit to our college in the year 2022, they have suggested that the college has most of the facilities, but we are lacking behind because we don't have the multi-purpose hall. So based on this suggestion from the NAC team, we from the college, we are trying to convince the emotions of all the staff of the institution to contribute 50% of the salary, 1 month salary, to this fund. And through the motivation from all the staff, we could able to start the multi-purpose hall with distinct capacity of more than 400 students. And we also feel motivated by the contribution from some of our leaders, like Pak Preston and some our Deputy Chief Minister who have contributed 1 lakh to the multi-purpose hall, then our MLA, and also our AL head, the Minister of Government of Meghalaya. So we hope the higher secondary section has not received any support from the government, though this higher secondary section has become like a mother to all the 22-23 higher secondary that are available in this district. But till date, we have not received any sanction, though the government has given a lump sum grant of 35,000 in 2002. But till date, that amount has remained stagnant, and other higher secondary in the state, they are getting 33,000 per staff. So we would like to appraise you, sir, that please consider this lump sum grant and to enhance so that we could be able to continue the higher secondary section of the college, because it is the only higher secondary school which provide all the 3 stream arts, science and commerce in the entire Southwest Khasi Hill district.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.